Good morning, guys. My name is Phil. Welcome back to Miranda Detailing. So in today's episode, we're working on this Mercedes E350 wagon, and we're using some of the products from the Detail glove box. So here are some of the products from the July glove box. Now, we switched out the shampoos only because this is a wash and wax. So this one came for July, the Jax Wax Wash and Wax. I didn't use it on this one because, well, I'm not doing a maintenance type of detail, and I use wash and wax soaps like this for maintenance. So we'll set that aside. We'll probably use it on our own vehicle. I switched it out with the Jay Leno's Garage Vehicle Wash. This came in one of the past glove boxes, so I decided to use it today. It's a really good shampoo, nice and slick, very, very foamy. So that's what we use today. But we will use this one at another time. But here are the other products that we're going to use today. We have the Vosh Superior Shine. So this is a spray wax. Whether used as a clay lubricant, wax, or gloss enhancer, it actually says glass enhancer. You say gloss enhancer. No detail job is complete without. Okay, so it is a spray wax, but it seems like it's more of like a detailer, all-around type of detailer product. So I wouldn't use this as main protection. A topper, that's what this is used as. Quick detailer, topper, and kind of a all-around, you know, last touch spray wax detailer. So we'll use that at the end today. We'll choose another product for our main protection. Then we have the Blizzard tire dressing, and this is a thick water-based silicone dressing, and it also came with a little tire applicator here, so that's pretty cool. Came with some nice towels, so a nice low nap, good quality microfiber towel, and then a glass cleaning towel, because the last product is a glass cleaner from Supreme, their Clear View. So really nice packaging. So these are some of the products we're going to be using today, and it also came with a Rag Company wash mitt. This is kind of a small one, it's about the size of my hand, but it's nice because inside, when you put your hand inside, it has this little lock feature. It's like sewn in the middle, so your fingers kind of go through it and lock it in place to be able to wash the vehicle. So really nice quality wash mitt. That's awesome. So you saw us do the full wash process, the APC rinsing on the Mercedes. That's our usual method for really deep cleaning the paint. You saw how it really stripped off the grime and junk. And I get a lot of questions as to, won't that strip wax and protection? Yes, of course it does. That's the purpose of an APC rinse, is to deep clean the vehicle. We don't do that for maintenance, so you don't need to do that for maintenance details or just for washing the vehicle. The customers that we have in here are in for full details. We don't just do maintenance. We only have a handful of maintenance jobs. We specialize in full details. So the car comes in, it hasn't been touched in a long time. It needs to start from scratch. So the deep cleaning, of course, comes first. The APC rinsing is what does that. So yes, it does strip wax and sealant, or weaken it. I shouldn't say strips it completely, but it does weaken it. But that's the point. We want anything that's on here to be gone. So now we're left with nice, squeaky, clean paint. So we're gonna dry it, and we're gonna add some protection. So we're just drying and adding some protection to the door jambs before we start on the interior. And you may see this on vehicles, and you may wonder, what is that? Well, you see a little hole there? This is basically where moisture, water, grease, any of that junk from inside the door, from your windows here, windows go up and down, water's gonna seep into there. Now, it's okay. There are things that are waterproofed in there, and it just goes all the way to the bottom, but it will pull some grease and grime on the way down. So to remove that, we're going to use a little bit of a solvent cleaner. So in this case, we're going to be using some Kosh Chemie Ulix and just a little bit of the microfiber. A little goes a long way. This stuff is very, very strong. And it will remove that. And then you just protect the area with some spray sealant, spray wax, whatever you're using. It'll probably happen again, but that's okay. For the time being, it cleans that nasty stuff right up. So we'll just go around the doors and clean all of that stuff up. Still just a little bit there, but you get the point. There we go. Much better. So we're almost done. We protected the paint with lithium ceramic slam, and all the glass is clean, but we're going through and touching up. So we're using the Supreme Clear View and the supplied microfiber towel. It's a fine glass towel. These are okay. They're not our preferred, but they do work. We use them more for just touching up, you know, when needed. But the Clear View glass cleaner is, I like it. It's actually pretty strong. I was able to remove the residue on the inside of the windshield, and it did a great job at dissolving that residue and cleaning the glass. Yeah, it did a great job. I didn't have to use any type of strong solvent. That was able to do it. So the paint is looking great. It's super glossy. It's now very, very slick. That ceramic slam is pretty awesome stuff. Lithium products are amazing. Definitely a little boutique-y, a little pricey, but I mean, the results speak for themselves. So what I'm going to do now is go around the vehicle and use the Superior Shine and the supplied red microfiber towel and clear up any smudges, any smears from the ceramic slam, if there are any. Go around and shine up the chrome, make sure the grille is looking good and all the emblems in the back are looking good. All the edges around the windows are looking good also. So that's what we can use this spray for, is to touch up any of those areas. But, I mean, it's looking really, really nice. So overall, enjoying the products. Really nice blend of different products that were in the July box. Of course, I grabbed some from the other glove boxes the other months because I wasn't going to use the wash and wax on this type of detail. I reserve wash and wax shampoos for maintenance. And then I, top them with something. Not to say that I couldn't have used it, but, when we're doing the jobs here, I don't need to use those types of shampoos because, well, I need something that may be either stronger or it doesn't have any other types of polymers or protectants built in them. This one doesn't. It's just a pure shampoo. That's all it is. It's not a wash and wax type of shampoo. It just cleans and that's it. So that's why I used it. But again, you'll see me use this one later on. This stuff is really nice. Now, you saw me use it not only on the tires, but the rubber trim. So it works really well on rubber trim. Now, at first I didn't use this applicator. I used my other applicator, but I gave this one a try and it does work. I'm just not a fan of these types of applicators. It's just me, it's just my personal opinion, personal choice, but I'm sure other people like them. So yeah, I mean, I do like some foam applicators. I was using a foam applicator, a little round one. But if you like that curved, that beveled edge for applying dressings, then you'll love this. So nice. The mitt was awesome. I love the mitt. I love the microfiber. Of course, it's Rag Company. I have a bunch of these other mitts that are giant ones. This is just a little bit smaller, but when you do put your hand in it, it has the little sewn spot here so you can put your fingers in and kind of grab it and it won't slip off your hand. Nice quality mitt. The glass cleaner, nice stuff. Can't say too much about glass cleaners. If it works, it works. But it seems to be a nice product. It seemed to be pretty strong because it was able to remove some glue residue, so that's pretty awesome. And then I just used this to touch up the paint, touch up the chrome, and it is a really nice, slick, spray wax, spray detailer, and smells really nice too. Nice smelling product. So overall, really nice products that came in the July glove box. So guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. As usual, I will have the Glovebox subscription link down below, and you can enter code Miranda20 and get 20% off your first box. So give that a try if you are interested in these types of subscriptions. I love monthly subscription boxes like this. I have one for coffee that I love, and now I have one for detailing, and you get to try out all sorts of products. Full 16-ounce bottles, not just little tiny samples, big bottles. I think it's an awesome value for only 35 bucks a month. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss stuff. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you have a great week. Take care.